We all find that tall people are more appearing in the crowds. According to study, more height not only offers physical advantages but is also associated with positive outlook and higher IQ. Your height is determined by your genetic or other factors like exercise, nutrition, and environment conditions. It is increased rapidly during the puberty stage. You can achieve a taller frame by practicing yoga. Practicing yoga will relax you and give you relief from emotions and also mental stress. Certain yoga poses will stretch your body and increase the flexibility. So here are some yoga poses to increase your height. And here we go. Mountain pose stretches all the muscles of your body and your body feels the elongation of the pose, which will also facilitates the formation of the growth hormones. We can start it by standing straight with your neck, waist and legs aligned in a straight line. Keep your hands on the sides and feet together. Inhale your breath and lift your arms upwards towards the sky. Now slowly stand on your toes by lifting your heels. Stretch your body as much as possible and return to the original position. This pose will stretches the muscle on your lower back, upper back and stomach. It helps in lowering the belly fat around your waist. It is also one of the best yoga pose to increase your height. Lie down on your stomach and keep your feet together. Place your hands under your shoulders. Now keep your lower back firmly on the floor. Lift your upper body off the floor. Make sure you are engaging your core and your shoulders are rolled back. Tilt your head backwards to engage your neck muscle. Do this for 30 seconds and come back to the original position. It is beneficial for your whole body. It is recommended to do this pose on empty stomach in the morning. This pose will stretches your hamstring and spine. It stimulates liver and kidney. Start this exercise by sitting on the floor with your legs stretched out in front of you. Now inhale and lift your hands up. Then exhale and bend forward from your hips. Stretch your arms and try to touch your toes and hold this position for 30 seconds and come back to original position. Tree pose is another effective yoga pose to increase your height. This pose activates pituitary gland, which is responsible for the production of growth hormone. Begin by standing straight with the feet together and hands on the sides. Now keep the left leg firm and bend the right knees to bring the sole to the right foot on the inner thigh of the left leg. Now raise your head to stretch your neck and hold the position for 30 seconds and come back to original position. It will strengthen your ankles, knees, arms, legs and chest. It opens the chest, the hip and stretches the calf muscle and the hamstring. It will also help to improve the alignment of the spine. Start by standing straight with your feet wide apart. Now turn your right side with foot pointing straight ahead. Bend your body to right. Try to touch your right to your right foot and stretch your left arm towards the sky. Stretch your body and keep your left foot firmly on the floor. Now return to original position.